So a couple reasons why I sponsored this course was we have a large team, and I was the only one that had gone through the diagnostic training for EMG and diagnostic ultrasound, which is great. Learned a ton, and I know I can do these tests with confidence. However, the carryover to my team and understanding what to do with that information and how to treat it effectively, we weren't there yet.
I really like the course. I think there's some stuff I can implement as soon as I start treatment on Monday, and definitely some patients that I know would benefit from not only the techniques for testing in my evals, but for referring to diagnostics.
So after doing this course, I feel like we have a much deeper comprehension of not only how to interpret that data to help the patient, but what to do after to help them. So super excited about that, and I think the team is too, and thank you, Demi.